In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Klaviyo with this step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Now let's dive right in and make sure you have everything you need to successfully set up and launch your Klaviyo newsletter. First off, you'll need to head over to klaviyo.com/login and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you log in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your starting point where you can access all the tools Klaviyo offers. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Campaigns tab. Once you're there, you'll see a Create Campaign button at the top right. Click that, and you'll be prompted to select your campaign type. Choose email. This is what you'll use to send out your newsletter. Now that you've selected email, it's time to name your campaign. Give it a specific and clear name like October Weekly Newsletter or 2025 New Product Launch Update. This will be really important for keeping things organized as you grow your campaigns. Once you've named the campaign, go ahead and click Continue to Content. Who should receive your newsletter? Under Recipients, you'll need to choose a list or a segment. This could be something like newsletter subscribers or engaged users last 30 days. Clicking Save and Continue will lock in your audience. A quick tip here, focus on sending only to engaged segments to boost your deliverability and email open rates. Now, let's set up your email details. Fill in your email header info, including the sender name like India from the Strategy Studio, and make sure you're using your verified domain as the sender email, such as hello@yourbrand.com. Craft a catchy subject line like Your Weekly Business Boost, and add a preview text for that extra touch. Once all that's set, hit Continue to Content. Now comes the fun part, designing your newsletter. When you enter Klaviyo's drag and drop editor, you can start with a pre-built template, or go for the start from scratch option to create a unique layout. You can add text blocks, images, buttons, social links, and sections to better structure your email. Use the Styles tab to fine-tune the background color, font, and button styles to suit your brand. Personalization is key, and Klaviyo makes it easy with dynamic content. Use personalization tags like Wushwu, first name, default, there, to address subscribers by their first name. You can also include product recommendations or dynamic coupons if you're connected with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Before you hit send, it's critical to preview and test your newsletter. Click Preview and Test, and either view the email directly or send a test to yourself. Make sure everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. When you're ready to launch, click Continue to Review. Double-check recipients, sender information, subject line, and the design. You can choose to send it immediately with Send Now or schedule it for later. Scheduling based on your audience's time zone can significantly increase open rates. After sending your newsletter, navigate to Campaigns Reports and track essential metrics like open rates, click rates, revenue generated, and any unsubscribes. This data is invaluable for optimizing future newsletters, and there you have it. You're all set to create and manage newsletters like a pro using Klaviyo.